जिड्डू से कोई पूछ रहा था कि अमेरिकन कल्चर इंडियन कल्चर पे बोलो, तो जिड्डू ने बोला था कि when we talk about American culture we mean the European culture which was transplanted in America, a culture which was since become modified and extended in meeting new frontiers, physical as well as mental. And what is Indian culture? What is the culture which you have here? What do you mean by the word culture? If you have ever done any gardening, you know how you cultivate and prepare the soil. You dig, remove rocks, and if necessary, you add compost, a decomposed mixture of leaves, hay, manure, and other kinds of organic matter to make soil rich. And then you plant. The rich soil gives nourishment to the plant, and plant gradually produces that lovely thing called the rose. Now the Indian culture is like that. Millions of people have produced it by their struggles, by exercising their will, by wanting this, resisting that, constantly thinking, suffering, fearing, avoiding, enjoying also climate, food, clothing, and have their influence on it. So we have here an extraordinary soil, the soil being the mind. And before it was completely molded, there were few vital, creative people who exploded all over India. They did not say as you do, I must accept the society. What will my father think if I do not? On the contrary, they were people who had found something and they were not lukewarm, they were hot about it. Now, the whole of that is the Indian culture. What do you think? The food you eat, the clothes you put on, your manners, traditions, your speech, your painting, statues, your gods, your priests, and your books. All that Indian culture, is it not? So the Indian culture is somewhat different from the European culture, but underneath the movement is the same. The movement may express itself differently in America because the demands are different here. There is less tradition, they have more cars and so on. But it is the same movement underneath, the movement to find happiness, to find truth. And when this movement stops, culture declines. आदमी मर जाता है ना जब वो खोज छोड़ देता है, क्योंकि जिंदगी इतनी छोटी है और जानने को इतना है। 1,00,000 साल भी मिले तो वो भी कम है, तो भी कुछ नहीं जान पाएगा आदमी। पर आदमी एक डिग्री लेके छोड़ देता है, उसके बाद डिग्री वो प्रेम से नहीं लेता, वो इसलिए लेता है कि उससे कुछ मुनाफा आ जाए। जैसे सुभाष चंद्र बोस बोलते थे, तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा। आज के जमाने में आके बोले तो लोग पूछेंगे ना, खून का प्राइस क्या चल रहा है मार्केट में, तो हम ऐसे लोग हैं। पिछले महीने कितना प्राइस था खून का, अभी कम हो गया, तो नेक्स्ट मंथ जब प्राइस ज्यादा होगा तो खून दूंगा। चल।